Hi all, welcome to Module 3. This week we'll finish up with picture books, specifically posting your topic selection and free write to the discussion board. After you've posted, take a look at the responses from 2 peers and give feedback for them. Then you can review your feedback and continue working on your essay. This week's reading assignment, Chapter 6 of Essentials of Children's Literature, and several poems that I've chosen from the Poetry Foundation that illustrate some of the best of children's poetry. I've also included a few additional resources, specifically information about how to explicate a poem, which is a form of analysis. Your topic selection and pre-write for Essay 1 should be posted by Tuesday. Then you will do your discussion board for children's poetry. Again, make sure you respond to the poems that I've posted. And then quiz 3 will focus specifically on picture books and children's poetry. After the quiz, there is a completely optional self-assessment check-in. You can let me know how you're going and how things are going in the class. It is confidential and it gives me some understanding of what you guys are seeing in the class. After that, you're finished for the week, but keep in mind that the poetry project is coming up, so take a look at those instructions and start thinking about the poem you would like to focus on for your explication and visual representation of a poem. Have a great week.